Hey, welcome everyone. Tom here, Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in these insane markets. Please, if you like what you see, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and here we go. It is 6:31 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on September 12th, 2024. I'm trying to get this analysis out as fast as I can because markets move and I don't want to be late to the party, you know. So I'm going to start off the analysis today with dollar yen because, again, as we've been saying for the past week or so, dollar yen is the one that has been running the euro yen and the sterling yen, because really sterling dollar has been pinned and the euro dollar has been dead. So all right, so looking at dollar yen right now, we have a minor support level right coming in right now at 142.57. It's kind of it's been quiet. Obviously, we've had some volatility. I think that the big players right now are waiting for some orders to come in. I don't really. Today's going to be an interesting day. You know, we're starting to recover from that big drop that we had. Okay, so what does it all mean? All right. Remember yesterday in yesterday's video, I said we broke below a major point, well, a medium-term point in dollar yen. I said that's a warning. And I don't forget that. I mean, it doesn't, you know, like when you break a medium-term lower level point or upper level point, it doesn't happen immediately that the market just turns down. You know, it's going to go back up into its consolidation again. But I'm telling you, I will eventually mention that point again at that 140.70 level. We will be talking about it again. When? That I don't know. That's the only thing I can tell you, as I don't know when. But we definitely will be talking about it again. That's for sure. Now, okay, if I have to talk about it for, like, you know, a year from now, okay, then it was bullshit. But I'm, you know, within at least, I don't know, within let's say 3 weeks. Okay, we'll be talking about it again within 3 weeks. And today, the September 12th, 3 weeks forward, we should be talking about that again. If not, then, you know, I'm wrong. I mean, I have been wrong. You know, the market just stays up and it doesn't come back. But generally, markets don't do that. They give me a warning, then there's something up. So that would mean that the upper levels are going to hold, and then we're going to come back down. But what upper level? That's the bloody key. So anyway, right now what we got today is we got resistance right at 142.96. Now if we can close above 142.96, you know, we have the next level, because the volatility was so wide. The next level that we have is 143. Let me get a little ray out here. You know, 143, say 60, like that. Oh, come on. Fuck it. That's good. 143.60. And then after 143.60, we got 144.08. 144.08. Now, this is horrible. So let me get rid of that. Let's go 140. Let's do this. 143. That's fine. 143.70, 60, 70. And then 144. 144.11, something like that. It's going to be in that area. Now, if we could break down below this 50 level, the next level supports the 142.07. If that goes, 142.07 goes today, you know, we're back into that pressure area of dollar yen, and we're looking at like 140. Well, we got the 142, then we got 141.08, 141.65, and then we got that ultimate, you know, that warning level. 140, that's 141.22. There it is. There's that level. 140.19 is the main support. I'm confusing myself. I'm confusing you. I'm sorry. All right, so if we got a break of 142, say 54, we have support 142.05. And then we have support again, say at 141.80, which is kind of close. And then we got the 140.71 level way down there. So how I would look at this, I would be looking, I'd be following this point right here, this 142.56. Let's get on to, if it breaks, I would think that's kind of weakness, and I would be looking to put price stop up like 143.15. Watch the price action though. It's kind of funky today, you know. It's kind of funky. All right, so let's get over to sterling dollar. This is a real simple one. We've been saying all along that 129.95 is a support. We said that, you know, it really should have held. Didn't think it was going much below 130.30. It did. You know, went down to like 130 the figure. 129.95 is still that main kind of short-term support. Well, where does this thing have to get over to show strength? Now here we go again with the sterling. You know, it's got to get over like 130.80. At 130, let's just say 131 the figure to start shaking off weakness, start showing strength again, to try to get back up towards the old high of 132.65. Sterling's been dead. It's all been dollar yen, so make sure we pay attention to the dollar yen. And you know what the funny thing is with this shit is that it could switch at any moment. You know, like one currency's been dead for months, and then all of a sudden it comes alive, and then the other currency just dies out. You know, dollar yen used to be the one that was always dead, you know. All right, let's get it over to the British pound, to star of the show. This has been the wild. I mean, isn't it fun to be on a roller coaster? I mean, the money's made on a roller coaster, man. I mean, that's just the way it is. Sterling, yen, and I'm going to probably have to give it an update in it because it's kind of really wide, you know, a little bit wild. By it breaking like 186, you know, 15, it's basically saying that it's still in consolidation, okay, but it's showing some strength right now. But is it showing its strength through what? It's showing its strength through dollar yen, not through sterling, you know. So what do we have right now? We have we got resistance at 186.42 right now. Let me pull this one down. 186.42. We have resistance at, hang on now, sorry. $187.14. Next level is 187.14. Okay. I'll put 187.11. That's fine. All right. So how I'm looking at this, really, let's see something here. I'm gonna do like a quick like volatility calculation, give a price price prediction here. You know, it's always dangerous. 185.75. The market has to stay above 185.75 really to continue showing like strength going up to let's go like 180 right here, 185.73. I don't like that. Well, that's just based off of this calculation, right? 1, 2, 3, we're here. Yeah. All right, I'll go with that. like 185.70 level. If it breaks through 185.70 level, it's basically showing that it's coming back into the lower levels. So where's the lower levels of support that are close by? Well, we got, looking at my volatility sheets here, we got, wow, it is so, I mean, the fucking what, forgive my French, but it has been so mad, you know. We got 185.30, and then 184.90. All right, let's move over to Euro Yen. All right, so to just be clear, we break above this level, okay, and hold above it. We're tracking towards 187.18. This is the important level for the staying upward today, this 185.70 level. If it breaks, most likely we're going back down to like the 185, say 20 level, 185.10. If that goes, then we're going back down into like the 184, like 80s, 50s to 80s. Okay, so just keep your eye on dollar yen. Dollar yen is important. Let's go over to Euro Yen. All right, now Euro Yen. Finishing up with Euro Yen. Okie dokie. Okay, good old Euro Yen. We have resistance coming in at 158, the figure. And we have another resistance point at 158.73. It's actually like 58, 60. So I go, you know what? There's always a little bit of lost motion. So I tried to compensate for that a little bit, go up a few points. Usually 14 points I use. Why? It's just like a number I settled on after 30 years of playing around with this stuff. I think that the critical level today is this 157.50 level. I'm sorry, 157, the figure level right now. If it breaks down through 157, the figure, it's kind of showing weakness going back into this lower range again. Where could it go? Well, I think it could go to like 156.40, 156.30. If it breaks that, then we're going back down to like the low days close, which is this low bars close right here, 155.70. We have a really strong support at 155.20. If it breaks 155.20, it's back to 154. But I don't really see that happening today. It kind of looks like a really quiet day today compared to the last few days that we had. Excuse me, we kind of already started to consolidate upward, and again, it's all through dollar yen. The dollar yen, those levels they gave you in dollar yen are going to be key to basically understanding these crosses today. So make sure you jot those down and watch the price action. Okay, so please, if you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Share the videos far and wide so we can, build a big trading community. Smash the like button. Make some comments. I want to hear from you guys. It's fun to make comments. We can have a conversation together, Got a few people talking. I need the rest of you starting to talk, and I will respond to you. I'm starting to learn how to use the comment button on YouTube now. I didn't know. Every time I clicked it, it said there was no comments. Then I go back 3 days later, and somebody left a comment the same day that I was looking for one. I don't know. Go figure. Remember, always enjoy the party, but dance near the door. Get yourself a free ebook at Park Avenue Trading. Cheers.